steps to K-Stew. My body sock, started on 6th Ave in the back of the garage. Had the leg of bugging, it was dropped. Snowfall hustle on a cop with a Glock. Survival on the streets and best believe that shit get hot. You be coolin' with your mans, the next day he getting shot. See you selling cocaine and got arrested on the block. See you got them county blues and your kid like where my pops. And you got your baby mama getting fucked by all your ops. Got you hemmed up with all these motherfucking thoughts. And that bitch that called you daddy is sucking on a cock. Pushing on the avenue, selling the cooch. On 66th to Figueroa Avenue. Now they got a smoky choochie, Mr. Two-Piece with a pookie. She had them French braids tight twisted in a dookie. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. So gang at the back of that dually, the one with the jacuzzi. He packed a fresh Uzi. Him and cousin Lupe, when shit went down, with the Uzi. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. So gang at the back of that dually, the one with the jacuzzi. Yeah, you want the straps, you hit the Iraqs. Then you gon' hit the block with that nigga play the click clack. Like motherfucker, where my money at? And it's R.I.P. to anybody who's running that. 300 to live or 300 bail. Music industry's a show and tell. He making music in the county jail where he fell. Big ups to J Beats and my nigga Tails. Crack open the bottle, let me throw my La Lomas, Garvey Park after dark. Fato Locos in the Skylark. And R.I.P. tonight, all that was my pops. Always fucking up the ops and always running from the cops. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. So gang at the back of that dually, the one with the jacuzzi. He packed a fresh Uzi. Him and cousin Lupe, when shit went down, with the Uzi. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. And got them tacos from my cousin Louis. So gang at the back of that dually, the one with the jacuzzi. Yeah.